Welcome back from savings. According to what you just heard now, all you need to do is imbibe the culture of keeping a little in savings, and from there you go to pick and invest. There are various platforms through which you can invest and make money. Last Saturday, it was wow. My guest now was with us, and we already got his commitment to be with us again in our monthly discussion meeting, which is Business, Investment and Leadership Academy with Abayomi Obabulujo. Mike Fowope, the African Director of Antec Global. Mike, first, thank you for coming on Saturday.
Thank you, sir.
You didn't come, no thank you to you.
No, it was busy handling the seminar in the office.
Okay, but he promised that he will come. He didn't come.
No, the next one, he'll be handling it over there.
Okay, thank you, Small. Mike,
Sir.
it was a wow on Saturday.
Yeah. The turnout was very impressive.
We expected more than that. All right. Next
that
time,
was good.
those of you who couldn't make it, all right, you missed a lot.
Yes.
I do hope sincerely you will be able to make it. It is the second Saturday in the month of August. We'll get to intimate you before then. Mike, Pimba, and some other strategy. Before we come to talk about that, the best currency pair as we speak.
Yeah, we're looking at USD JPY for possible shots. That's selling that pair. And then I think on the screen, the charts should be coming up on the screen. If you look at the chart now on the screen, we can see that USD JPY, I want that zoom in so that we can see from a broader view. USD JPY is trading inside a triangle. Okay? It's trading inside a triangle, and then we have, and if you see, the triangle has been for a very long time, maybe 4 or 5 years. I mean, about 3 years. Okay, so I'm looking at price dipping. So that means USD/JPY is going to lose some rates back to 1127, and that's what we are seeing on the weekly time frame. And actually, I'm projecting price to go back down to where the supporting line is. Okay, but we take it one at a time. So if we go to daily time frame, we have a better view on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, around that resistance point, we are seeing what I call a rami. Okay, a rami is an inside bar, and the inside bar gives an indication that the momentum to the upside down is gradually reducing. And that's one thing we tell people: the chart speaks. You need to understand the language, and that's what we teach in Antec Global. So if you want to sell this, we'll need the confirmation at a lower time frame. A lower time frame at 1 hour time frame. If you look at 1 hour time frame, there's what we call 1, 2, 3 formation. Okay, 1, 2, 3 formation. There's a way we analyze it. I don't have to go into detail, but then it shows that if price should break the support at number 2, most likely we're going to see price dip back to the first resistance point, support now at that point, exactly where the mouse pointer is. So anybody want to take advantage of this trade opportunity, we'll be looking at the break of the support 2 and the stop loss at the high of 3 as a confirmation for entry to short USD JPY. I think this is a very good one.
Now, do you know, as I was just looking at all this,
Yeah.
it's like you focus more on candlestick
Yeah,
Because in stocks,
yeah.
you will now look at the moving average convergence and divergence.
Okay.
You look at stochastic.
Yeah.
You look at relative strength, RSI, and all those.
Yeah.
But most often,
Yeah.
I see you dwelling more on candlestick. When you talk about harami, you are talking about a candlestick formation.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Now, in Forex, are you telling me that if all I do is to learn so well and I become good
Yeah.
at the use of in the use of candlestick,
Yeah.
I will make a lot of money?
On a more serious note, it all depends. And I read computer mathematics, and I know about all this indicator, right? Sometimes this indicator, they lag behind the price. The indicator wouldn't give us what the price is saying in the future, but they lag behind price. That doesn't mean that the indicators are not good. There's a way to trade with the indicators. Now, we have a particular strategy that we're teaching in the workshop. That's what we teach in office for the beginners class. We use basically indicators. Now, you need to understand what is RSI. When can you use RSI? What is MACD? MACD is good for spotting reversal. It's good for spotting the beginning of a new trend. You need to understand what is MACD. You need to understand when you use stochastic. Not many people understand this, and that's why they keep having issues. You understand? You can also look at the chart. Basically, look at the chart and we call that one price action. And then one thing is this: if you understand certain things, like you're saying something about Access Bank, that price the lowest 10 point something, the highest is 13. That's a support and that's a resistance. It's the same thing everywhere.
Do you know that?
And what you said exactly, that the likelihood of losing at this point is zero, because price is at a major support. And at that major support is the institutional traders are looking at the possibility of buying. So so if the fundamental for stocks, because it's very important you understand the fundamentals and the volume. If the volume is there and the fundamental is good, at that point you buy. The reason why I don't consider so much of fundamentals in trading intraday is because the fundamentals is normally it's cheap for long-term trade in FX. And I keep telling people that Nigeria economy is for me, it's a mono-economic country.
Yep.
Now, the currency we are trading, euro against you, they are mixed economy, complicated economy. Do you understand? If you are dwelling so much on the fundamentals, you're going to get confused. So what you have to do is look at what repeats itself, a pattern that is keep repeating itself on the chart, and follow that pattern to make money. Yes, for instance, the strategy we teach in the office, the winning rate is 60%. And I tell people 60, for every 10 trades, you are sure of winning 6. But we are not sure when the losses, those losses will come. So you have to use a very good risk management. And when you use risk management, you have an assurance of this has been performing this way for over 15 years. Do you understand? So that way you're going to make money. So you can, depending on how you want to look at it, if I see the chart, I know where price is going.
There are lots of questions that are just cropping up in my mind. If the first, we'll quickly take them in the next 1-2 minutes.
Yeah.
Mike, what's the minimum
to start this business?
to start?
Yeah, any amount that that a trader can afford.
How
it's
much?
okay. Now, for me, basically, I tell people, if you want to do this, come with $250 minimum. Some people come
$250.
with
That's a lot.
No, some people come as low as $10.
Wow.
I'm telling you. But I personally, I tell my friends, bring $250 to start with, and that is less than 100,000 naira. You understand? But some people, I've seen people coming with $10 to start trading with.
And you started for them?
Of course, yes.
Then, what is the process of opening the account?
No, it's simple. Anybody who wants to open an account with us, they go to our website.
Okay, I don't need to come to your office to open the account.
No, you don't need to come to the... Why we ask people to come to our office is because we don't want them to just put in money into the trading account without getting the right education. If you have money in your account without getting education, you'll be tempted to trade and you're likely to lose the money. So we don't tell people to put money in their account first. We tell them, come for the training, learn, and then put money in your account. That's what the gospel we preach.
I do hear people say demo account and all those. But me, how effective is it? Because you can afford to lose its demo. You can make a lot of money. No emotion is attached. If I'm making money while trading demo account, is it a guarantee for me that when I begin to trade real money, I will make money?
Yeah, to say the truth, I don't buy the idea of demo trading. Let me tell you, it's like a pilot simulating, you can crash anytime you like, but you cannot crash real life. It's dangerous. And one thing is this, if you are doing demo, you are likely, because trading is more of emotion than strategy, you're likely to imbibe very bad habits in your demo that when you translate into your life account, you're not likely to recover from. So I tell people, instead of go to a demo, don't spend more than 1 week, understand the platform, understand how to place, buy and sell, understand the strategy you want to use, because the person behind the demo, the same person behind demo, and the same person and the person behind live, they are different personality, different people entirely. There's so much excitement in demo, such excitement if you carry it to live trading, you likely crash land. So I tell people, your demo 1 week max, start with something you can afford on your live, and keep growing in confidence. And when you are very good, you can add more money.
Mike.
Yes.
Your number.
Okay, we run training every day in our office, and now we have a seminar, because we tell people, before you come for training, you need to have a background understanding of what this business is all about. So, and you need to understand the advantages, the benefits of trading online, and even what online itself presents to people. So all you need to do, because we run seminar 2 days, Fridays and Saturday. So Friday, if you're interested in coming on Friday, just send your name, space F, to the number as shown on the screen, 08056905612. And if you're available on Saturday, just send your name, space S for Saturday, to the number as shown on the screen. The time is 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. And then after the seminar, if you want to learn how to trade and make money, then you can come for our free training, which we offer Monday to Thursday in the same venue on Allen.
Right. Thank you so much, Mike, for your time. And for Adeboyega Shitu. I'm very sure that next week we will perfect the technology, and then we'll have the laptop with us. That is how far we can go on this segment. I'm sure what you are learning, it's not commonplace. This is real, all right? This is no fake, it's no fluke. So that is why you must get connected to us.